Okay, so today we will be doing this activity of using calculators to get our answers in standard form. Some of you know this already and many of you don't, so try to pay very close attention to the steps that we will follow to make sure that our calculators give us the answer in standard form and we do not have to work ourselves for it. The first thing that I want to explain is that the standard form is when you write a number in this form such that A is between 1 and less than 10. And when you write any number in this form, such that the first number is 1 or greater than 1 and less than 10, that is what we call a standard form. Standard form is also called scientific notation. So both mean the same thing. You either call it standard form or scientific notation. Both actually mean the same thing. So today we'll be using our calculators to understand how do we get the answers in standard form. Okay, now for example, let's take this example where the question says on average Jim speeds 75 times per minute. Calculate the number of times his heart beat during 50 weeks. So what will we do 75 times per minute? When I multiply it by 60 minutes, I get an hour. When I multiply that hour by 24, I get a day. And then I multiply it by 7, I get a week. And then I multiply that by 50, so I get the answer in 50 weeks. Now, how will we use our calculator to get this answer? We can, first of all, if we want our calculators to answer in the standard form, we will go in setup and you see a scientific notation written here. You select 7, which goes into scientific notation, and then it asks you how many significant figures do you need. So you need 2, 3 significant figures. I'll just choose 3 right now. If I write the entire value, 75 times 60 times 24 times 7 times 50, I'll get the answer in 3 significant figures in standard form. So the answer is 3.78. The question itself will round it off and will provide me the answer in standard form. I will not have to work hard for it. If I want to go out of standard form, I can always go to setup. I can go in norm, which is normal, and I can just select 1 or 2. Both do not matter at this particular level. They are just different levels of giving an answer in standard form. So this is what you get. And again, if we want to go and set up scientific notation and I want 3 significant figures, so this is what I will get. Okay, let's find another question. Which we have to calculate. A machine makes 5-cent coins. It makes 720 coins per minute. The machine operates 24 hours a day per day. Calculate the total value in dollars of the coins made by the machine in 300 days. So first, if I were to find the number of coins in 300 days, and then I'll find the value. So how can I find the number of coins? 720 coins I'm getting per minute. If I multiply that by 60, I'll get the number of coins in 1 hour. If I multiply that by 24, I'll get the number of coins per day. And if I multiply that by 300, I'll get the number of coins in 300 days. This will give me the number of coins. Now the value, how do I find the value? These are the number of coins. And I'll multiply it by the value of 1 coin, which is 5 cents, or I can write it as $0.05 directly. And I'll multiply that by the number of coins. Now, in order to find the value, I'll just plug it in my calculator now. And there you see the calculator has given me the answer in standard form. I do not have to convert, or I do not have to press any other button. Neither do I have to round it off myself. 1.56 exponent 7. So this is how you can get your answers in standard form. That's it for today. For any more queries, please let me know if you want me to solve any more calculated tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Office.